telling you guys, every time I want to eat steak, I have to go to the store to get a new freaking cat steak. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spend my money. Hello guys, good morning. So ngayon nagluluto po tayo dito para sa ating umagahan at nagluto na ako kahit tulog na tulog si Mister para naman may makain. Kasi paminsan guys, kahit hindi ako magsasalita or mag-ask sa kanya kung anong gusto niyang kainin, kailangan ko magluto para naman meron siyang makain pag bangon niya. At buti na lang, nagluto ako dito at pag sabi ko sa kanya na may makain dito na pwedeng, kung pwede gugising siya, gumising na siya guys and then kumain. Magkasama kami which is really good kasi kahit sobrang pagod, bumangon yan siya kasi late yan nakauwi kagabi, mga nasa 12 I think, mga ganyang oras. So kaya yun, nagsama kami umagahan at enjoy naman kahit kami paminsan lang talaga kami magkasama sa umaga guys, kahit andito siya sa bahay hindi yan kakain. So kaya kapag ganitong time, pasalamat talaga ako na nababangon siya. Ulan at saka hangin, ang lakas ng hangin ngayon at ang lakas din ng ulan. Look, I don't know if you can see guys, but yung wind advisory ngayon dito at saka 50 km per hour. So malakas talaga ang ulan. At tika muna, patayin nga natin ito. Lakas talaga guys, pagkita. Punta tayo sa labas guys, tara. Ala. biglang nag-open yung pinto. Ang lakas ng hangin. Yung strength ng ala. So, hangin ngayon. Usually, magpanic na ako guys. Usually, magpanic ako kapag lakas ng ulan. Saka yung hangin ay sobrang lakas. Magpaniki. Sinday mo rin Yeah, okay. The garbage bill will fly in them.
Yeah, I bet. I'm not gonna stand up these bikes today. Have to move the plow.
I'll do it. I will do it when we get home. Hi guys, nasanay na talaga ako guys na aalis ng bahay na walang bra. And it felt so good guys. I can only do this in winter. Because if I leave the house kapag mga summer and no bra, it's very obvious. So nakakahiya. So only winter kasi dahil sa coat. Nakavera ng ating munggo. Munggo beans. But Tommy enjoyed this munggo. Ay, naka-smile lang ako, baby. He just do like this, guys. How do you call this in English? No, it's not a hand. Flick. Yeah, it's a flick. He's flicking. Like, and yeah, it's a rainy morning. And this rain, it's until, I don't know when. Tomorrow morning. So, mataas-taas ang ating ulan at hangin. Wind advisory. Grabe yung fog guys. Tingnan niyo yung langit. I hope open sila kan. And I hope they can accommodate you. Nandito kami sa BG's kasi alauna pa daw yung niya. Alauna yung inspection guys. Wala si Wow, this is not good for rain, love.
Yeah, I know.
You're
gonna back by 9.
That's it. Hi guys. So, nagbili lang si Tami ng ice kasi yung aming mga binili doon sa BG's, bumili siya ng mga cold cuts para sa alaga. So kaya kailangan niyang bumili ng ice. Buti na lang meron siyang cooler dito sa sasakyan at lagyan na lang namin ng ice para hindi masira kasi matagal-tagal pa, 1 o'clock pa yung aming appointment. At ngayon Dito kami sa 7-Eleven. Hi guys, so naghintay na lang kami dito kung kailan kami tawagin. It's 12:20 and then yung appointment is 1 o'clock. Ako. So ang agenda ngayong off ni Tami is car inspection, grocery, and more grocery. Look at me if they still have it, honey.
I did look.
We're not gonna travel over there for...
I did look. It's open up.
Itong asawa ko ba? Red or shine talaga yung iyang pagpanigarilyo. Oh. Han! Honey! Tami! I drive. I'm just gonna go to where, when we come home, I'm going that way. I'm not gonna keep going straight to 84. I'm not going to 84. So I'm going to Poughkeepsie area and then turn over there. And I know where it is. Guys, paalis na kami guys. And oh, that's a good...
Your lights are on, right?
Yes. Punta na kami sa ano. Oh, you have to put the address here, babe.
Not bad light to work.
I don't want it.
Maybe I will.
Ha?
No.
Ito yung pinuntahan namin dito guys. Prime rib na 7 ang bone, dalawa. Grabe. Mahal. $400. Yung dalawa na. 400 something dollars kasi nga mahal ang per pound. So yun guys. Nakabili din sa wakas ng mga gustong bilhin. At pauwi na kami. Grabe guys. Oy, if you buy that with no discount, it's 400 something dollars.
Each one.
Kada isa.
$450 for each one.
Yeah, I know. So now
$450 for everything.
we get half honey price.
Less than half.
Less than half. So pero mahal pa rin siya. Oy, still expensive man.
Yes, it's still expensive. It's always expensive. That's because I don't want to buy the little ones. You're only allowed one. So if I'm only allowed one, then I want to get the biggest one I can get.
So now we have to cut and everything. Aduh, ginawa ko. Now we have to find space.
Yeah, well, that's always the next problem. If it was still freezing cold outside, it'd be no big deal. I'd put it in a cooler outside right now.
Yeah,
But of course, the weather got warm for some reason. We don't know why.
So, yun, uwi na tayo. Diba, nag-travel pa talaga kami ng malayo talaga. So, more steak for Mary Ann.
And the dogs, not with that.
Seriously, honey.
Only the dogs. That's it.
Seriously. What a drama.
Mama says, oh, you know, I'm saying, good, I'm gonna cook steak.
Hon, if I'm filming, this is what I said, guys. Oy, I cannot film, oy. Whatever, honey.
I gotta cook steak. As long as you're not home.
Yeah, but if you're home, you don't want a steak.
If you're home, I'll make
You know what,
vegetables.
guys? I'm not gonna.
I'll make okra and rice.
You know, I'm not cooking steak anymore. You guys, every time I want to eat steak, I have to go to the store to get a new freaking cat steak. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spend my money. I'm telling you, I'm gonna spend my earning money.
Guys, don't listen to her. She's just blabbling.
Kumain naman kami pagdating namin. Mga ang kinain namin rice yung sa akin. So yung binili namin na prime rib andun sa baba. Sunday na namin yun ikat kasi sobrang pagod namin guys. At alam niyo naman si Tami, sobrang pagod sa trabaho, so kaya sabi ko next time na andun sa refrigerator baba. Buti na lang talaga meron kaming extra nga refrigerator kasi kung wala ay nagsakit, yung tiyan ko, nagutot-utot ko guys. Feeling ko itong asawa ko maraming pera. May milyones ba itong asawa ko? Kasi feeling ko may milyones ito eh. Hindi sinabi sa akin, charot. Hindi sinabi. Kasi gastador eh. Bili ng mga gamit. So kaya feeling ko meron ba itong mga tinatago? Alam ko naman yung mga assets niya, no? Mga talaga. Meron kasi yung mga ano guys. 3, 4. 4, 3 man ata or 4. Hindi talaga ako sure. Investment niya. Yung isa ay 2. Hindi ko alam. Basta may 2 siya na sa kanya yung open. Meron din yung kay isa ina niya. Open. Nung bata pa sila.